Jai Hind everyone, welcome to day 30 of this DSS series, and here's the update. Today I solve questions on 1D binary search, like binary search on 1D array, and after that I solved one question on two pointer problem, so it was two sum only. It was pretty easy because I have done it before as well. So this question came again, so I solved it quickly. Then the main thing which I studied was hash map. Initially I thought I'll be starting with the doubly linked list, but all of a sudden I realized that I haven't completed hashing as well. So I just went to start coding that and I solved one question. I'm feeling pretty confident today. And that's it. Now planning for tomorrow is I'll try to finish two more questions on hashing, and I will start doubly linked list hopefully. That's all for this video. How was the video? What are your plans? If you want, you can share with me, and I'll catch you next video. Till that time, keep studying, keep working hard, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.